all are fine, right? Now, what all did we discuss in our last class? Yeah, it was People Dadima's birthday. We celebrated it in great joy, right? Now there is a short song for you here. Now come on, let us sing the song. Okay. Take page number 39. Dilera. Dilera means tongue, that is from heart. Okay. मेरा वतन सुनहरा वतन रूप अनेक धर्म अनेक मेरा वतन न्यारा वतन वेश अनेक बोल अनेक मेरा वतन दिलेरा वतन प्राण से भी जान से भी प्यारा वतन. How is the song? Is it beautiful? Yeah, it's very beautiful, right? Now come on, sing with me. Ready? Okay. मेरा वतन सुनहरा वतन रूप अनेक धर्म अनेक मेरा वतन न्यारा वतन वेश अनेक बोल अनेक मेरा वतन दिलेरा वतन प्राण से भी जान से भी मेरा वतन. So what do this say? This says that my land is very beautiful. My country India is very beautiful. All are one here. If the dress code and customs are different, even though it is all different, we all are one. We all are children of our mother country India. Okay, so clear with the song. Now let us move on to a small story. Ready? Okay, come on. Page number 40 पे देखो ना, क्या है? पढ़े. पढ़े means to read. परिचित शब्दों पर गोला लगाए और लिखे. So you see the words you came forward, okay, and let us know the meaning also. Now let us go on to the lesson. Okay. Manoj ki now. Now means, yeah, it's boat. Manoj's boat. Manoj 11 साल का लड़का. So the age of Manoj is 11 years. Okay, like you itself. Manoj is 11-year-old boy. घर में पिताजी माताजी और दादी. कौन कौन है घर में? पिताजी माताजी और दादी. फादर मदर एंड ग्रैंडमदर. गांव में नदी के पास एक छोटा घर. So near the river there is a small house in a village. घर के पीछे पहाड़. क्या है घर के पीछे? घर के पीछे means behind the house there is a mountain. Hills. Okay. वहां के जंगल में हाथी भालू लोमड़ी हिरन आदि जानवर. Oh my God, behind this house there is a mountain. But what is there? There are many wild animals. What are they? What are the animals? They are hathi, elephant, balu. Balu means, yeah, bear. Lomdi means fox. Then hiran means deer. Then adi जानवर. आदि सब. घर के सामने पीपल कटहल आदि के पेड़. क्या है घर के सामने? In front of the house there is people tree and jackfruit tree. Okay, behind the house there is a forest, and in front of the house there is a people tree and a jackfruit tree. Okay, then you can see what happens. Now चलना उसका सपना था. So he likes to travel in a boat. लेकिन माँ बाप अनुमति नहीं देता. So he's a small boy like you. Do your parents allow you to go in a boat all alone, to ride a boat? No, never. No, you should be very careful while going in a boat. But Manoj wanted to go alone in the boat without his parents. But his parents is not allowing him. What happens next? Let us see. एक दिन मनोज घर में अकेले थे. The chance came. What happened? One day, Manoj was all alone in his house. Then what happened? Now चलाने का एक अच्छा अवसर मिल गया. See, when you think of some idea, you will get a chance to it. How? When your parents is not at home, you will think, I should do it somehow before my parents come. The same way, Manoj also thought it. My parents are not here right now, so I want really to go in the boat. Then what happened? Let us go forward. Now see, page number 42, what will happen? वह नाव चलने लगा. Oh, with great pleasure he was riding the boat. वाह कितनी मजा है. वाह, what a lovely moment this is. अचानक आकाश में बादल छा गए. Suddenly what happens? The clouds filled in the sky. Was very afraid. सूरज गायब. पानी बरसने लगे. What happened? The sun vanished and the black clouds came in the sky. He was a bit feared. Manoj was a bit feared. बचाओ बचाओ वह रोने लगा. And the water also started to rise. Okay, so Manoj started to cry. Oh my God, save me, save me, save me, save me, someone. Then what happened? Now नदी के बीच में. Oh my God, goodness, this is why the parents are saying that you should not go alone in the river without parents. We are small children, right? We want to do what we wish, but you should hear your parents. Otherwise, the situation happened here for Manoj will happen to you also. लगा मनोज तो रोने लगा. बचाओ बचाओ, save me. Now नदी के बीच में. Oh my God, where is the boat? It is in the middle of the river. एक पत्थर से टकरा कर नाव टूट गई. Oh my God, it went and dashed to a rock in the river and Manoj fell down from the rock. Poor fellow. If you would have listened to his parents, would it happen to him? No. Then what happened? मनोज को चोट लगी. नाव पानी में डूब गई. There was a wound for Manoj and the boat sank in the water. What happens? If boat sinks in the water, Manoj also will sink in the water and lose his life. What happened? Let us see next. Page number 43. What happened? चिल्लाहट सुनकर कई लोग आए. When they heard the shouting, somebody from nearby came running. मनोज पूरी ताकत के साथ तैराने लगे. So what happened? Manoj knows to swim. So Manoj with all his strength started to swim. Even though the water level is rising. So how many does we swim? He is a small boy, right? So he with his all force started to swim. किनारे पहुंचते ही थक गए. When he reached the bank of the river, he was tired. Why? Because he is a small boy. उसको देखकर माँ बाप खुश हुए. So mother and father felt relaxed by seeing him. Why? Because they were very afraid. Where have my son gone? When he came back, parents were very happy to see him. घर की ओर चलते चलते उसके माँ बाप की बातें याद आई. So while he was returning to home, he was thinking what his parents said. So did you understand the lesson? So what to do means, do listen your parents. They are always wish you good and not bad. So always you want to listen your parents. So was the story nice? Okay. No? Okay. So you all like the story, right? So what was the moral of the story? You should listen your parents. Okay. So now let us wind up our class for today. Thank you for listening, my dears. Thank you. Let us meet in the next class. Okay, bye.